Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever it is where you're watching from. Welcome to this channel. For those of you that are new to this channel, I wanted to give you a quick introduction. This channel's main purpose is to bring knowledge and entertainment to homeowners who really would like to take the DIY challenge and get into fixing, building, or just creating new amenities around your home. Now, I would like to clarify that I am not a professional on all the things that I fix or the things that I create. With that being said, let's jump to today's video. Today I want to show you the framework of my outdoor kitchen. I went to my nearest home improvement store and I bought me some 2x4s. I started by laying them on the ground. I bought the drawer, the sink, the grill, and the two doors beforehand so I can use them for exact measurement on the frame. The frame is 36 inches high. I started pre-drilling the holes before putting the screws and the woods together, but this was very time consuming and I broke like 4 drill bits. So later in the project I went on and just put the screws straight into the wood. I had a sketch with measurements so I can use it to know exactly where everything was going to go on the frame. My floor was sloped down to a corner drain, so I used some pieces of wood to level the frame. After, I went and made the cut for the grill, having in consideration the 1/2 inch of the cement board that I'm going to put on the two sides to cover the frame, and it's coming along pretty good. I would like to take the time to remind you to like, share, and subscribe, as this lets me know that you're enjoying the video and it motivates me to create more content on DIYs around my house. And the frame is coming along pretty good. Now it's time to put in the sink. When I went and put the sink in, I noticed that it needed some adjustments on the frame in order for it to fit. So I had to make about a 1/2 inch cut on each side. I utilized my miter saw to make the cut, and once I did that, the sink fit straight in really good. I put some support boards for the door that's gonna go under the sink, and I also added support boards all around the frame on the top as well, which is where the cement board is gonna be drilled down to. I also secure the whole frame into the 6x6 post from my pergola. If you would like to watch the video where I build the pergola, it's also on my channel, available for everybody. I also wanted to show you how I drill the screws straight into the wood. So basically I drill them straight for about 1/2 inch, then I pulled it back out. Afterwards I was able to put it on an angle whichever way I wanted it to. I also have my assistant here taking a break. She is my inspiration and she really has to be in every single one of my videos. After putting the last support boards on the bottom, the frame was completely done, and as you can see, I am really liking it. Again, don't forget to comment, as I would really love your feedback. Thank you again.